Meaning of Imperial Chemical Industries.
Imperial Chemical Industries.
Imperial Chemical Industries.
Imperial Chemical Industries.
Imperial Chemical Industries. Imperial Chemical Industries, ICI, was a British chemical company founded in 1926. The company was involved in the production of a wide range of chemicals and materials, including paints, adhesives, plastics, and fertilizers. During its operation, ICI became the largest manufacturer of chemicals in the UK, with a global presence through numerous subsidiaries and joint ventures. In 2008, the company was acquired by AkzoNobel and its name was changed to AkzoNobel Industrial Chemicals. Today, the legacy of ICI lives on through many of its innovative products that are still in use around the world.